Okay then guys, Monday the 14th of April, seedling update. The broad beans are having a nice little bath, having a good drink. The lupins are outside all the time now. There's a few other things lying around here, a couple of carrots and things. I'm not quite sure what to do with this tub of parsnips yet. I might have to lift one soon and see what they're like. Ooh. More lupins, onions there. Blimmin' bird or something dug all my zabroon up after all that trouble. Anyway, they're growing again now. Carnivores outside along with some wasabi. The chilies are outside more than inside now. I just take them indoors when there's a chilly night forecast. And the brassicas, they're outside now. Again, I'll take them indoors if we get a cold spell, but I don't think we will. Funny angle that. The leeks, they got to go out soon. I don't think I'm going to get anything more from these lupins. Give it a bit longer, but we'll see. And nothing from the peas yet. They're all stacked up, waiting to germinate, so keep an eye on them. They're outside all the time now as well. Down here amongst the lemongrass, loads and loads of beetroot. Again, just waiting to germinate. Probably a bit too cold from outside, but there's no room inside. Bit of a change here since last week. It's nearly empty. Just a tub of Moneymaker at the back and Gardener's Delight over there. And a watering can full of water keeping warm. And again, the lid's off this, more than on now. I might actually turn the mat off soon to the actual vitopod itself. We'll see. Okay, greenhouse. As you saw, the chilies are outdoors, just one or two in there. Loads of cucumbers. A couple of spuds may have disappeared today. I can't remember if I took them here or from indoors. Chilies, still got a few flowers left, another 24, was it 24? 36 went the other day. More cucumbers. Still nothing from the annual chives or the garlic chives. I think I shall re-sow those, fresh packet. Aubergine in the back there, basket of fire, look at this. Brilliant. Geraniums, geraniums, more cucumbers, more annual flowers. The red celery, could you just see them? Yeah, they're just starting now, so I've taken the cover off those. Still nothing from the Clancy. I'm pretty sure that's grass in there. And yes, see, that's grass there. Look. Let's pinch that off while I'm here, because I'll forget. Ooh. And right, let's get back to where I was. Backtrack. Cape gooseberries. Loads of herbs. More avocados and pepper. This one is number 18. I'll have to have a look and tell you what it is. But that's a 4-lobe pepper. And that means it's going to be quite sweet. 4 lobes and 3 lobes. Male and female. Can't remember which is which, but you know. Down the bottom here, loads of herbs. Watering these daily now. Still waiting for a few to pop up. I don't think I think I've used the seed that's just a bit too old. But we're getting on with those. Loads more flowers down here. And here, the fuchsias. More peppers, chilies. More flowers. More cucumbers. Sweet corn. Flowers. Peppers down there. More cucumbers. More cucumbers. More cucumbers. And loads more sweet corn right down the very bottom. Going to stay there till they germinate. There's quite a lot in there. Keep an eye out for pests. That's an early leaf there that had a slug on it, but I've just left that on because a bit of green's better than no green. Yeah, nothing on that. Okay then, upstairs. And here we are upstairs in the vitopod. Quite a few tomatoes. Yeah. They're all poking up. I've re-sowed a few, like I told you. Some of those are coming up now. Can't really see any. Maybe one there, like a little tiny one there coming up there on my little pinky. Yeah, so these are getting a good watering every day now. And I said it before, the coir ones, I'm having to keep those soaked. They are drying out so quick, so they're almost sat in water all the time. Whereas the peat ones, lovely jubbly. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. I think that's it for now, guys. I got to get downstairs, and these are nearly at the right stage to put into mailers to sell. What we got? Second set of true leaves coming on that one. In that one. Brilliant. Right then, that's it for me. Take care, guys. Catch you, well, next Monday. Ta-da.